Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to scrapbook a page. I've already picked out the papers for this in a previous video for this entire album, but I am going to do videos for many of the pages. So these are the photos I'm working with, and I chose the papers from KB Textiles. This is Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. So I'll be working with papers from there. Okay, first off, I am doing, I designed my pages already in Design Space, and then I cut out all my Cricut images from there. So the first thing I did was I put a border and a coordinating print because my papers are in these sort of medium tones. I picked papers that all coordinated with the photos and in that same depth of color. So I've done a border here, and then I used my Creative Memories border punch. This is the heart border. It's heart to heart it's called. Really pretty. And these are my grandchildren, so I wanted hearts on the page. I like that. So then the next thing I did is I made frames, because I like frames on, especially a 5x7, and that's what these are. So I made frames for these. So I'm putting a frame on that one, and then this one I've already taped down. Put a frame on that as well. I cut this one into an oval with my Creative Memories oval cutters. What I like about them is that they are exactly to fit 5x7s, 4x6s, and 3x5 photos. So sideways or lengthwise. So they always cut perfectly to size. Okay, I also picked that same paper and I cut a circle here for the background. I like that. I also like to leave a 1/2 inch margin, unless it's a border, but that makes your page look better. I don't like things shoved out to the edges of the paper. Not a good look. Okay, so then I wanted to repeat this paper on this side, so I did a label, and I'm going to tuck that under here and put that there. And the same thing with this frame, I wanted to repeat that paper on this side, so I did another banner, a little banner right there. I'm going to have to shove that over so it fits nicely. And I needed some images for this page, so I just decided to go with, I like this fun, crazy sun, and I did put some gems on it already, so you can see. I'm trying to keep the video short. I also found a branch that I liked, so I cut that out here, and then I felt I wanted to put a bird on it, so I cut this beautiful, cute owl out. He's embossed, and I had some fun decorating him with these. I love these Creative Memories dot tip pens. One of the ends is really fat, so you can just do dots, which I did on this bird in different places, and I used the thinner end to do some other dots, and I put some eyelashes on him to make him cute. So when I got this done, this teal was too bright for the page, so the top layer of the bird, I embossed him with this embossing folder. It's a leafy thing, Anna Griffin. I love it. I use it for leaves and trees and feathers a lot as well. Anyway, I embossed it, and then I took a navy ink and I inked the top of it to tone it down, so it wouldn't, like, this is to me just too bright. So to solve that problem, I inked the top of it and toned it down, made it darker. The other thing I did, because this was the same paper, is I cut out, I had a die for another branch like this. So I cut it out in the navy and I'm putting it on top. And that tones it down for me. So I like that a lot better. And I put dots, foam dots underneath this to lift it, to put it here. I think he's cute. So then I cut out some clouds because it was a cloudy day when they were out there. The skies aren't that blue. So I put out some clouds to stick on there like that. So now I wanted to decorate some more. Oh, I did cut out on my Cricut another sun image, and I put to lift that a pop dot on there. So I decided I would look through my stash, and I found in Creative Memories, Art Nouveau, I found these are embellishments. So I found a title. So I took that from here. Lovely, it says. I'm going to put that there. And, oh, these flowers. I wanted to try one of these flowers over here. I'm going to leave that there until I'm ready to put it down. And I thought I might use one of those too. I also picked one. I'm going to use this to put with this. Like that. Now I'm going to put a flower. So I am going to put foam dot on that. It is a sticker, but I want it lifted. It's two, I need small ones. And I think I need something else here. So, let's see. Maybe one of these. This is just a little flourish thing. That makes a tiny little spray there, flourish thing there. And I also found a flower that I'm going to just put right there. Then in this Creative Memories, the other embellishment group, the laser cut embellishments, I found these photo corners. I really like those, and they were in the earth tones of the background of this photo. So I thought I would put them on here. I could lift those as well. That would look cute. So there's another page. It was quite simple, a lot of fun. So subscribe to my channel and you'll get more videos as I do them. You can go to my website for design space links for all of my pages there, and maybe you'll get lots more ideas for your scrapbooking. Thanks for watching.